Wiring three-phase motors, star versus delta. Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll understand how three-phase motors are wired using star, also called Y, and delta connections. We'll look at how each connection works, their advantages and disadvantages, and how to choose the right one for your application. Why motor wiring matters. Motor wiring is not just about connections. Correct wiring decides how much current the motor draws, how much torque it produces, and how long it will last. Proper wiring improves energy efficiency, reduces overheating, and ensures electrical safety. What is a three-phase motor? A three-phase motor runs on three alternating current phases. These phases create a rotating magnetic field, which turns the motor smoothly and efficiently. That's why three-phase motors are widely used in pumps, compressors, elevators, and industrial machines. Basic motor terminals. Most three-phase motors have 6 terminals named U1 V1 W1 and U2 V2 W2. These terminals allow the motor windings to be connected either in star or in delta, depending on the required voltage and load. What is star or Y connection? In a star connection, one end of each motor winding is connected together at a common point. The other ends are connected to the three-phase supply. This forms a neutral point and reduces the voltage across each winding. Star connection working. In star connection, each winding receives lower voltage compared to the line voltage. Because of this, the starting current is low. This connection is commonly used where the motor starts with a light load or where high supply voltage is available. Star connection advantages. The biggest advantage of star connection is low starting current. This reduces stress on motor windings and protects electrical components. It is ideal for motors that do not require high starting torque. Star connection disadvantages. The main drawback of star connection is low starting torque. Because of this, it is not suitable for heavy loads like compressors or crushers that need high torque at startup. What is delta connection? In delta connection, the motor windings are connected end-to-end in a closed loop. There is no neutral point. Each winding receives full line voltage, allowing the motor to deliver maximum power. Delta connection working. In delta connection, higher voltage across windings means higher current and higher torque. This allows the motor to start heavy loads easily, but it also increases electrical stress during startup. Delta connection advantages. Delta connection provides high starting torque and full rated motor power. This makes it suitable for heavy-duty applications such as pumps, mills, and industrial machinery. Delta connection disadvantages. The disadvantage of delta connection is high starting current. This can cause voltage drops, heating, and stress on insulation if not properly controlled. Star versus delta comparison. To summarize, star connection offers low current and low torque, while delta connection provides high current and high torque. The correct choice depends on the type of load and starting conditions. Star-delta starter concept. To reduce starting current, many motors use a star-delta starter. The motor starts in star mode and once it reaches near full speed, it switches to delta mode for normal operation. Which should you choose? For light loads and home or small applications, star connection is suitable. For industrial and heavy load applications, delta connection is preferred. Always check the motor nameplate and manufacturer recommendations before wiring.